This is a rare look inside a New York hospital at the epicenter of the outbreak, given to us by Dr. Colleen Smith. Just crazy. You're going to see trucks that are refrigerated to throw the bodies in. Just tons of people everywhere that are fighting this thing, and they don't have enough ventilators and things to keep them all alive. They're dying at a rapid rate. It's just crazy.
Today is kind of getting worse and worse. We had to get a refrigerated truck to store the bodies of patients who are dying. We are right now scrambling to try to get a few additional ventilators or even CPAP machines. If we could get CPAP machines, we could free up ventilators for patients who need them.
Does it look like we're doing great in these hospitals, like our president is saying?
Five
Not
ventilators. Oh my God.
We now have these 5 vents. We probably, unless people die, I suspect we'll be back to needing to beg for ventilators again in another day or two. There's a mythical 100 vents out there, which we haven't seen. Leaders in various offices, from the president to the head of health and hospitals, saying things like, we're going to be fine, everything's fine. And from our perspective, everything is not fine.